If you're looking for the best smoothie blender, then you're in the right place. I and the rest of the Kitchen Hacks team have literally spent days trying and testing all the best blenders for smoothies on the market so that I can give you the most reliable recommendations possible. If you want to see where to buy each product mentioned, then check out the links at the top of the description box. Sadly, the market is filled with a plethora of poor quality blenders, which are best avoided, let me tell you. In contrast, the best blender for smoothies needs to combine power, durability, and simplicity. While personal preference plays a role, we've found that a blender's blade design, motor strength, and overall usability profoundly affect the smoothie making experience. So, with this shopping criteria in mind, let's get into the rundown. The number 7 product on my list is the Black & Decker PowerCrush, which I rate as the best home smoothie blender for those who are on a budget. We think the Black & Decker PowerCrush is a solid choice for anyone wanting to whip up smoothies effortlessly without breaking the bank. First thing in the morning, we're usually groggy, and the last thing we want is a complicated kitchen tool that feels like solving a puzzle. Thankfully, that isn't the case here. This top smoothie blender is a no-brainer. It has intuitive controls and a 700-watt motor that means business. Plus, the 6-cup glass jar has an old-school, robust feel that we can't help but appreciate in today's plastic-filled world of cheap kitchen gadgets. Also, I must say, this machine tackles frozen fruit like a champ, churning out refreshing drinks without a sweat every time. And the cleanup? Honestly, it's almost too easy. A quick disassembly and everything goes straight into the dishwasher. You can really see why this is one of the top blenders for smoothies, especially with its powerful 4-tip Quad Pro blades. Come evening, when we're experimenting with soups or sauces, the Black & Decker PowerCrush shows its versatility. It may not have all the advanced features of a Vitamix or a Blendtec, more on those in a minute, but it does make delicious smoothies every time, and that's what counts the most in my opinion. Up next is the popular Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, which earns the 6th spot on my list of the top-rated smoothie blenders thanks to its big 72-ounce pitcher and powerful 1,000-watt motor. Ever since my sister started using the Ninja BL610, her smoothie game has truly leveled up. Mornings are a breeze now. With just a few pushes of a button, she can crush the toughest fruits and greens and turn them into the most satisfying drinks to kickstart her day. One of the best things about this blender is its ease of use. You don't need to read a manual to get it, just load it up, hit the power, and you're off. The sturdy blades tear through frozen fruit as if they were soft butter, which is exactly what you want when you're half awake and in need of a quick and nutritious breakfast, let me tell you. But it's not just for smoothies. We've whipped up everything from sauces to soups thanks to the Ninja's versatility. And when we're done, cleanup is a snap. Everything disassembles smoothly and is dishwasher safe, so we're not stuck scrubbing away when we'd rather be enjoying our culinary creations. Keep in mind, though, that this blender means business, and it's not shy about showing its power. It will certainly make its presence known with its robust engine roar as it works through tough ingredients. We've also noticed that you might need a bit more liquid than expected to get the smoothest consistency, but it's a small tweak in the grand scheme of its impressive performance. Size is another factor to consider. It's a bit of a countertop hog, but for the power and capacity it offers, most people are naturally willing to make the space. Overall, the Ninja BL610 is a really good blender for smoothies, and I'd happily use it every day if I wasn't addicted to my Vitamix and Blendtec blenders. Moving on to the 5th best blender for milkshakes and smoothies, we have the Nutribullet blender. Honestly, this little gadget isn't the most powerful blender out there, but that granted, I still think you'll love the Nutribullet for its quick and effortless performance in making nutritious smoothies that fit right into your health-conscious lifestyle. The Nutribullet on your kitchen counter will be a game changer for your morning routine if smoothie creation speed is a top priority. Tossing fruits, veggies, and a splash of almond milk into the cup, you get a silky smoothie in under a minute. It's perfect for those of us who find the morning rush less than thrilling. Its compact size is perfect for smaller kitchens, taking up minimal space while still delivering big on performance thanks to its 600-watt motor and 24-ounce cup. And when we're in a rush, we love that we can blend directly in the cup and take it on the go, which also makes it ideal for whipping up tasty post-workout smoothies. Now, as any honest smoothie blender review will tell you, the Nutribullet does have its quirks, like being a bit loud, which can be a jarring way to wake up in the morning. However, as long as you chop everything into manageable pieces, it won't let you down. Oh yeah, and thanks to its small size, the Nutribullet cleans like a dream because there are no fancy accessories or fiddly bits that require your scrubbing efforts. Checking in at number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, which is one of the top-rated blenders for smoothies if you're shopping on a budget. Having recently whipped up a series of smoothies with this 700-watt blender, we can attest to the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher's ability to crush ice and blend fruits to perfection. With 14 blending functions ranging from pulse to puree, this sturdy unit offers versatility depending on the texture you prefer. The wave action system ensures that all ingredients are pulled down towards the blades, leaving no chunky surprises in your drink. The machine promises easy cleanup and is true to its word. I found it a breeze to disassemble and put the parts in the dishwasher. This is a huge plus when you're in a hurry and don't want to deal with the aftermath of your smoothie making session. While we're on the subject of convenience, it's worth mentioning that the lid can be a bit of a puzzle to fit on the 40-ounce jar initially. A little wrestling might be involved, but once it's on, it seals your smoothie ingredients securely without any leaks. Oh, and be ready for some noise. This top-rated smoothie blender doesn't tiptoe around its business. Despite a few quirks, we're content with the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher and wholeheartedly recommend it for day-to-day smoothie lovers. It's a solid performer that won't leave your wallet feeling too light. The number 3 blender on my list is the Ninja SS401 Foodi Power Blender, which I rate as the best smoothie blender for those wanting to make delicious smoothie bowls. Thanks to its array of accessories, the Ninja SS401 is a game changer for culinary enthusiasts looking to whip up smoothies with ease and explore more kitchen tasks without clutter. Having recently taken the Ninja Foodi Power Blender for a spin, we were honestly impressed by its versatility and power, boasting 7 unique blending programs and an impressive 1600-watt motor. It plows through ice and frozen fruits, delivering silky smoothies with no fuss. Also, the Smart Torque design means it doesn't shy away from heavier tasks. For example, we made almond butter without any struggle or stall, which was really nice. Its slicing and grating capabilities are a big plus, turning veggies into perfectly shredded pieces for salads and garnishes. Similarly, the built-in feed chute is super convenient, allowing us to add ingredients without stopping the machine, making prep work noticeably faster. And I have to say, I really appreciated how easy it is to clean this blender system, considering its seeming complexity. It's just a matter of disassembling and popping the parts in the dishwasher. There's no hassle of hand washing sharp blades or fiddly bits, which is often a drawback with other high-power blenders. The only caveats come in the form of its noise. It's quite the loud appliance when at work. Also, its size might not suit everyone, especially if counter space is at a premium in your kitchen. Overall though, this powerful smoothie blender easily makes it onto my top 5 smoothie blenders list thanks to its versatility and stellar performance. Up next is the Blendtec Professional 800, which earns the second spot on my list thanks to its huge 90-ounce smoothie jar and frankly insane 1800-watt motor. This imposing unit really is one of the most powerful blenders for smoothies that you can buy, that's for damn sure. The moment we fired up the Blendtec Pro 800, the difference in quality with the previous blenders was palpable. Its sound dampening technology kept the peace in our kitchen. That's right, we could actually have a conversation while blending, which I never thought would be possible. Also, Multitasking with this machine felt like a breeze, letting us jump from frozen treats to steaming hot soups without skipping a beat. Now, given how powerful the Blendtec is, I thought that cleanup would be a hassle. I mean, the blades are just so thick. But to my surprise and pleasure, we found cleaning after our blend fest to be unexpectedly simple. A bit of soap, a quick blend, and a swipe with a cloth were all it took to get the machine spotless again. Also, the illuminated touch interface didn't just look cool, it wiped clean in seconds. But the blender didn't only impress us with its looks and convenience. The sheer blending power felt like we had a commercial-grade machine in our home. I still can't believe that the Blendtec Pro 800 is technically a residential blender. Anyway, whether it was silky smoothies or creamy nut butters, the strength of the motor and the blade design crushed ingredients with ease. What more could you ask for? Despite the high upfront costs, the efficiency and versatility of the Blendtec Pro 800 might just make it the last blender you'll ever need. It's a powerhouse for kitchen enthusiasts and a silent guardian for those early risers among us. So, what is the best blender for smoothies and shakes that money can buy? Well, based on our extensive testing, we think you'll be thrilled with the Vitamix 5200 if you're serious about whipping up restaurant-grade smoothies right in your kitchen. Upon our first use of the Vitamix 5200, we were immediately impressed with the robust build quality that this brand is famed for. The blender feels substantial and ready to tackle a slew of blending tasks. An ice-packed green smoothie? It turned out velvety and perfectly cold without any pesky, leafy chunks or uncrushed ice in sight. Cleaning the 64-ounce blending container couldn't have been more straightforward either. We were pretty skeptical about the self-cleaning claim, but a drop of soap and warm water did the trick in under a minute. No disassembly needed, no scrubbing, a real time saver that had us ready for the next use in no time at all. But we didn't just stop at smoothies. We ventured into soups, nut butters, and frozen desserts. All were a breeze and absolutely delicious for the Vitamix 5200. The precision and strength of its stainless steel blades lived up to every test we threw at it, assuring us that this machine is a kitchen staple, not just a one-hit wonder. While the noise might momentarily startle your cat, the results will have everyone gathering around for a taste of whatever magic you're creating. Honestly, if you're looking for the best blender for making smoothies, then the Vitamix 5200 is where it's at. Sure, the Blendtec has a bit more power, but Vitamix blenders, while still expensive, are still within financial reach for the serious smoothie creators among us. So, now that you know the 7 best blenders for smoothies, it's time to pick the product that's right for you. Again, you'll find the links to the latest prices for each of these amazing blenders in the description box below. I really appreciate you watching today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this smoothie blender video in any way helpful. Have a great day.